Hello, my name is Romy Schlögel. I'm representing Spacebel here.
And I'm Philippe Duchesne, also at Spacebel, software engineer at Spacebel.
So at Spacebel we are involved in several work packages within the MINEYE project. Because our role is to deliver some tools and products that are useful for the stakeholders active in the mine industry. So we are involved in the ground stability monitoring, developing some tools for risk assessment, as well as for pollution detection related to the acid mine drainage. And we are also developing a platform.
Yeah, so Spacebel also provides the software solution to handle the whole life cycle of the data in the project, from storage, indexing, to processing, discovery, and publication of the data, all using state-of-the-art geospatial standards.